We know strings come in quotes, but what do you do when you need to display a quote in a string? It could be a problem because you end the string. So let's take a look at using strings with quotes in quotes. So what does it mean to have quotes in quotes? Well, when we use a string quote, we can use either a double quote or a single quote. In this case, I'm using double quotes to enclose my string here. But because I'm using double quotes, I'm allowed to use single quotes inside. So anytime that I need to display a single quote, I have to use double quotes for my outer string, and then this becomes a character. So go ahead and run that, and we see that works fine, and there is my single quote. Now we just do the reverse if we want to show a double quote. So here I have the teacher making a pronouncement, and so we need to put that into double quotes and display those. So I have single quotes around the end and these double quotes inside. They just become characters. And so now I see the double quotes show. So it has been a problem previously to show quotes, and now you have the ability to do it. You can't show double and single quotes in the same sentence yet, but we're still making progress there.